Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In this video I will show you how to make an attendance sheet in Google Sheet. We will use checkboxes and a formula to count work days. So let's get started. If you already have the employee names in column A, that's great. Each row corresponds to one employee. For example, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Now let's add the dates. In row 1 starting from B1, add the dates for the months. For example, B1, C1, D1 and so on. Each columns present a different day. Insert checkboxes. Select the range where you want checkboxes. Go to Insert and click Checkbox. This will add checkboxes to your sheet. Count work days. Now we will count work days. Use this formula in the last column. Enter the formula. Type is equal. Count if, then select the range B2 to H2. This is the range where the checkboxes are for one employee attendance. True. This counts how many checkboxes are checked. Hit enter. Drag the formula. Click on the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula. Hold and drag it down to the last row of your data. When you check the boxes, the formula in the total attendance column I will automatically update. So you check 3 boxes for an employee. The total attendance for that employee will change to 3. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.